Hello and welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. In today's recipe, I'm going to share with you this classic Indian snack which is called Chakri, and it is very crispy yet it is very soft, and I'm going to share all the secrets with you. So let's start. But before we start the video, please make sure to subscribe my channel and turn on those notification bells for future uploads. Now we are going to start with 2 cups of rice flour and half a cup of all-purpose flour, half tablespoon of red chili powder, turmeric and sesame seeds, and salt to taste. And we are going to add 4 tablespoons of butter, which is unsalted butter, and it is at a room temperature. So I'm going to gently mix the flour and the butter until the flour is moist. It's important to rub the flour and butter first so that you will get a crispy yet very soft chakris. Now we are going to knead the dough using water, and use little water at a time, and we are going to make a firm dough. So here I have used about a half cup of water. Now I almost forgot add a green chili paste and ginger paste. It is up to you. If you want to add it, you can add it. If you don't want to add it, you can skip it. And if you want the gluten-free option, then instead of all-purpose flour, you can also use a chickpea flour, which is besan. So now the dough is ready, and it is nice and not too soft, not too firm. Now I am using this star attachment from the Sancha, like the cookie press, Indian cookie press, and I'm going to fill this up with the dough. I have added the purchase link in the description box. Now I'm going to apply some oil so that it can glide easily, and then I'm going to divide the dough and make a kind of a cylindrical shape so that it can fit into the sancha. I'm going to fill it more. Now this is very easy recipe, right? And if you just follow the measurements, it will come out perfectly. So it's ready. Now I'm going to take parchment paper or butter paper, and then I'm going to make the chakris like this. So this is how it all came out, and now you can easily lift and put it into the hot oil to fry it. I'm going to deep fry it until it is nice and golden. Now when you put it into the oil, don't rush to flip them. Just let them fry for a few seconds and then flip them, otherwise it will break. And once they are nice and crispy, like golden like this, you can take it out and serve. And it is very good. You can store it for up to a week or 2 weeks until it lasts, and it is very crispy and very crunchy. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to drop a like to this video and share this video with all your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So I'll see you next time with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye and happy eating.